Welcome everyone to the foundation channel of fundamentals. My name is Divya and I'm your maths mentor. So today I'm going to continue class 6 chapter number 6 from NCERT exercise 6.1 question number 8. So if you haven't watched the previous video of this chapter yet, then go to the playlist, watch that before watching this video. So start करने से पहले again I'm going to tell you one small story. सो हुवर एक इंजीनियर थे जो बेरोजगार थे, उनके पास पैसों की बहुत कमी थी, तो वो जॉब की तलाश में एक बिजनेसमैन के पास गए और उन्होंने उनसे पूछा कि आपकी फैक्ट्री में अगर कोई इंजीनियर की पोस्ट खाली है तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे रख लो, ठीक है। लेकिन इंजीनियर ने कहा कि मेरे पास कोई इंजीनियर की जॉब तो नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे पास एक टाइपिस्ट की जॉब वैकेंट है, तो अगर आप उस पर काम करना चाहेंगे तो आई एम रेडी। तो फिर हुवर ने कहा कि ठीक है, मैं टाइपिस्ट का काम करूँगा, लेकिन मैं ना 4 दिन बाद अवेलेबल हो पाऊँगा, अगर आप 4 दिन तक मेरा वेट कर सकें तो। सो इस पे फिर उस बिजनेसमैन ने कहा कि ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप 4 दिन बाद आ जाना, हम वेट करेंगे। तो फिर हुवर ने क्या किया, वो अपने घर गए और उन्हें ना टाइपिंग करनी नहीं आती थी बिल्कुल भी, तो उन्होंने 4 दिन में टाइपिंग सीखी। उन्हें ये उनका मतलब डिसाइड था कि मुझे कुछ तो करना है, भले उन्हें नहीं आता था और थे वो इंजीनियर। तो उन्होंने दिन रात बैठ के टाइपिंग सीखी 4 दिन, और उसके चौथे दिन जब वे वहाँ पे काम करने के लिए गए तो उन्हें एक पेपर मिला जिसपे उन्हें टाइपिंग करनी थी, और उन्होंने उसमें एक भी मिस्टेक नहीं की थी टाइपिंग में। तो फिर उन्हें जॉब मिल गई। और ये जो कहानी है ये हर्बर्ट हूवर की, जो आगे चल के अमेरिका के 31st प्रेसिडेंट बने थे। सो ये बहुत ही मोटिवेटिंग लगा, मुझे लगा आपसे शेयर करना चाहिए। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. So we have to write the 4 negative integer, which one is greater than -20. So as I already told you, bigger number with negative sign is lesser its value, so we will take the lesser number with negative sign, so it will be greater its value, yes or no? So answer is -19, -18, -17 and -16. We have to tell only 4 integers, because -19 is greater than -20, -18 is greater than -19, -17 is greater than -18 and -16 is greater than -17. So now B part is write 4 negative integers less than -20. We have to now write the integer which is less than -20, now not greater, less than. So what is the answer? -21, -22, -23 and -24. So bigger number with negative sign is lesser its value. So -21 is less than -20, -22 is less than -20, -23 is less than -20 and -24 is also less than -20. So this was our question number 8. Now move to the next question. So question number 9 is, for the following statement, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. We have to correct the statement. So statement is -8 is to the right of -10 on a number line. So you can check. So let's suppose this is your number line. So in middle 0 and here -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then -9 and -10 will come. Yes or no? So they are saying -8 is to the right of -10. Yes or no? This is right, this is left on a number line. So it's true. So no need to change anything. Your statement is true. Now -100 is the right of -50 on a number line. They are saying -100 is of right of, now you can check 0, then -10, 20, then -50, like this you will come. And this side then -100 will come. So they are saying -100 is right, but this is left and -50 is on the right. So they are saying -100 is the right of -50. No, it's false, because this -100 is on the left of -50. So this statement is false. And what is the correct statement? Minus 100 is the left of the minus 50 on the number line. You can correct it and write it again. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. Is this true? No. This minus 1 is the biggest negative integer. Yes or no? So it's false. Minus 1 is the biggest. So you can write here, biggest negative integer is minus 1. Minus 26 is larger than minus 25. Wrong. Bigger number having negative sign is lesser its value. So minus 20. So this is also false. Minus 25 is larger than minus. So correct statement is minus 25 is larger than minus 26. Like this it will come. Now move to the last question of this exercise. Draw a number line. Answer the following. Draw a number line. Which number will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Okay. So which number you will reach? Draw a number line. In middle 0. Which number will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? First draw here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now, number line, first draw the number line, done. Then they are asking, if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. First come to the minus 2. This is our point. And we have to move to the right. 4 steps. We move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. This is right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number we will reach? We will reach to the plus 2. Yes or no? We will reach to the plus 2. You have to just draw the number line and represent it. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? First draw a number line. Okay. So here 0, minus 1, minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are saying which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. So left of 1. So that means we have to go this side. This is left. This is right. So we will move to the left side from 1. Left of 1. So 1. This is our point. We will move left. How many steps? 5 numbers. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will reach. So we will reach to minus 4. Yes or no? You can show like this. So we will reach to minus 4. Now come to the C part of this exercise. Next question. So next question is, if we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? So which direction? So if you are at, now you can draw a number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, then minus 8 will come this side. If we are at the minus 8 on the number line, which direction we should move to reach minus 13? For reaching minus 13, again we have to move to left, yes or no? For reaching minus 13, we have to move. If you will move right side, you will get less these numbers. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 7, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. But we want to reach minus 13. For reaching minus 13, we have to move this side here. Minus 9, minus 10, then we will lose to minus 13. So which side we will move? So on left side. On left side. This is the answer. This is right side. This is left side. We have to move on the left side. Now last part of this question. If we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So this question I'm giving you as a homework. Please solve this question. Same as I explained part C. Now this is your question you have to do. This is your homework. And write your answer in comment section. Please do this question and tell me. Okay, maybe you will do or not. So I am doing, but this is your responsibility. You have to stop this video here. No need to watch. Do by your own. Then later you can come and you can check your answer. If we are at minus 6 on the number line, so draw a number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. We are at minus 6. Then which direction should we move to? Minus 1 to reach minus 1. So we will you will move to right side. Yes or no? Right side. This is left side. Yes or no? So if we will move right side, then we will reach to minus 1. So the answer is on right side. On right side. So this was the last question of this exercise 6.1. So your exercise is completed. I hope आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.